Hello all. We got one more foil card pack video. Could split it up into two, but I'll probably just do it all at once. Try and keep it semi-quick. First off, you can see the update on our background. We got Groudon finished, colored, and Mega Charizard colored in. So, we've got more foil pack cards. What I found, which is really cool, is a black and white booster with one foil in it. So it's the first time we've got a black and white booster pack. So excited to see that. We're going to leave that one for last. So we'll keep the same process where we open the cardboard part first, and then we'll leave the packs to the end. So as usual, we should be seeing at least one full art or EX card per pack, and hopefully we get some stuff that we don't have already, and get something in these boosters, because these boosters have been horrible. So we'll put the Ancient Origins pack to the side. Mawile EX. It's another Fairy EX. And a Mega version. Okay. Also got a Mega. That's our first Fairy Mega card. I love these packs when we get Megas that have the regular EX version, because obviously it helps to have, because then you can use them right away. So another Mega added to the group. Not a bad start. Did not expect that one. I thought there was a chance that we had a Mega in one of the other packs, but that I did not see. Finally getting some decent Megas built up. So we got a breakthrough pack. Oh, Boom Sauce Mega Blastoise EX. That is phenomenal. Right after we got a Blastoise EX. That's another Mega. Fantastic. And a very cool Pikachu card too. For Pikachu. Not EX or anything, but still a cool card. Wow. Mega. Mega City right now. Very, very cool. Again, didn't see that one. The one I thought that we might have a Mega was... I think it was like an electric, and again, could be wrong, maybe that was the Pikachu or something, but 2 Megas, and to get the Mega Blastoise is pretty awesome. Very, very cool. So here we have another breakthrough. Alright. Charizard. Can never complain about a Charizard card, especially since it's different art. And another Mega. That's the one that I thought we actually had. Which, the card's pretty beat up, unfortunately. That's kind of a shame. And we don't have the regular EX version of that. That is 3 Mega cards. Even though that one's busted up at the top. Wow. Ampharos EX. So 3 Megas to add to the collection. Not too shabby. Alright, let's keep it going here. Our collection is getting pretty awesome. Luckily found this trick so that we got some really nice additions. Knew what we were looking at. Another Ancient Origins pack. Meowstic. Another Jolteon EX. Can't be mad at that. Strong card. And then last but not least, our black and white pack, which again, we will, it's a shame that that card's busted up, but it is what it is. Mega Blastoise is in great shape. So, the card down there, and then this pack is going to go over to the side. We're going to do that one last. Oh, wow. Someone is going to be extremely happy. Mega Mewtwo. I mean, that along with Mega Charizard is probably the second coolest for that deck. And that is 4 Megas in one combo opening. By far our best. Along with 2 others. That Blastoise is awesome. Mewtwo. Wow. Alright. Now, I don't have very high hopes for our booster packs because we've opened a lot of these and I think we've gotten 1 or 2 EXs, so not a lot to be excited about. Kind of know that they're going to be bad, but that's alright because we got the value right there. 4 Megas. I guess that's considered a rare. Okay. Special Fire Energy, though. That's a good card. Cool. We'll go with the other breakthrough. So many Megas. Alright, get rid of that. Yeah, nothing again. Okay, they're even backwards. I don't know if these are Wade boosters or something that they were previously open. I don't know what it is, but there's... Velocity. There's definitely something up with them, but like I said, how can you be angry? We've gotten so many EXs and full art cards, and now a pretty good collection of Megas, which we've been searching for. But just going off of sheer standard numbers, these have to be previously opened packs or something, because they don't even have like EX, nothing. So. Go through quick and double check. At least that's a holo. Haven't even gotten those. Alright, now I'm excited to see this black and white. This is the first one we've done. Shanks, Meowth, Pokemon Center. Yeah. Lampent. So nothing crazy, but we were expecting that. The boosters in these are not good, but check that out. 4 megas, 2 EXs, including the EX of one of the fairy megas, 4 Pikachu, and the best 2, Mega Mewtwo and Mega Blastoise. Awesome. Another great video. See you next time.